Today we are going to be doing a review of perfect squares. So just a refresher, a perfect square is any number multiplied by itself or any number squared. So 1 squared or 2 squared or 3 squared. 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3. So we're going to go over what these look like again. So we're going to do 1 times 1. That's 1 times 1. It looks just like this, a perfect square. Okay, and we're going to add 2. So we have 1 right here, 2. 1, 2. This is 2 squared. 2 times 2. And if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4 blocks, and it is a perfect square. There are 2 on each side. All right, 3 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what do you guys think would come next? Which number would we be doing? 4 squared next? Or would we be doing 8 squared next? So I'm going to give you a couple seconds to think about it, and I want you to point to which one we should add next. We just finished 3. Okay, if you said 4 squared, you were correct. So we are adding 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's make sure. Let's count along the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 squared. You see, it's a perfect square. We have 4 on each side. We counted these sides. Let's count the top and the other side just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that one's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 on all sides, so it is a perfect square. All right, we will add the next number. Okay, so we have done 4 squared, which is 4 times 4. Okay, now let's add the next number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes next? Does the number 5 come next or the number 9? Which one? I want you to point. Okay, if you said 5, you are correct. 5 comes next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I want you to think, is this a perfect square? Yes or no? Here. I'm going to put a smiley face for yes and a sad face for no. Is this a perfect square? What do you think? Yes, it is a perfect square. So we added 5 squared, or 5 times 5. So let's count along the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 squared is another way to write 5 sets of 5. So let's count and make sure. Okay, let's count along the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 3 sets of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets of 5. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today.